Simon and Ekpa, you are a fool. Prophet Godwin, my people. Welcome back to Balabas J's. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? You know, as we dey do am, no forget to follow this channel and rush go subscribe to our YouTube channel for a quick update. Only support wey you fit support us here na to subscribe to that channel. Na be only support wey you fit give us. So let's go back to tori wey we get for hand today. They say one prophet wey identify himself as Prophet Godwin don come outside provoke question for the prime minister, Biafra government in exile, say him be fool. So we go play the video, make we watch am, and we go come back come analyze the video. But this life, wahala no dey finish o. You know, in this life, that is how you can address somebody on something, even though that person is getting it wrong. That is how we can caution someone, he will understand you. So everything is not by violence. Yes, Simon Ekpa may be wrong. Yes, you yourself, you may be right. But that is how you will talk to somebody with a respectful and just with respect manual. The person will understand you, not talk to the person the way you like. You understand? So we are going to play the video for us to watch, and we'll come back and continue.
Simon Ekpa, you are a fool. You are a fool. You are a big fool, Simon Ekpa. I, Prophet Godwin, is telling you a big fool. You are a coward. You are an animal. You are in Finland, hiding, giving instruction that you are a prime minister of where?
Good afternoon, good morning, fellow Biafrans all over the world. This particular message goes to the oil producing companies operating within Biafra territory, from Shell down to the lowest. Our attention has been drawn to the fact that the expelled criminals in the Biafra movement are circulating litter, and this litter is being circulated to oil companies in Biafra land, that there is nothing like it at home. I want to put it as a warning to every oil producing company in Biafra territory. The only government that is operational, functional, and that is legit, and which the Biafra people are loyal to, is the Biafra government in exile, of which I am the prime minister. We have not called off any seat at home. We have not cancelled the seat at home. We have not gotten our freedom. Mazda Mikano has not been released. The demand in the letter we wrote to you people have not been met. So if anybody comes to you to tell you that the seat at home has been cancelled and you start operation, I swear with the spirit of those that died in the 60.
Simon Ekpa, you are a fool. You are a fool. You are a big fool, Simon Ekpa. I, Prophet Godwin, is telling you a big fool. You are a coward. You are an animal. You are in Finland, hiding, giving instruction that you are a prime minister of where? Sit at home have ended. Sit at home have ended. Whosoever that claim that is listening to your instruction, Nigeria, we only have one president, and that is my president, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Whatever law you are trying to pass across to oil company, Simon Ekpa, you are a fool. When I get you, the earth will bleed for you. You are a fool. You are trying to cause confusion in a country where you were born. They born you here. They bury your placenta here. You don't respect your homeland. because they gave you a citizen in Finland, your cup has full. There is no more sit at home. Useless child.
Welcome back. As I've watched that video, had everything this prophet is saying about Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of Biafra government in SI, calling him a fool and exercising anger that is in Finland and giving order in a Biafra land, and people are obeying the order. So my question here is, did you reach out Simon Ekpa to stop him for doing some things before you come in on social media to call him a fool? This is my own question, one. And as a man of God you don't need to be cursing somebody. Two, but however, I will leave this video for you to contribute and leave your own opinion on it. So we'll get a love story, things where they happen today, where we will bring for your ear, may you hear wetin they go on. They say the fight between Nigeria military and Lastma continue. Wahala dey. The fight no dey finish. They say where they go do this gym training, we be say we give them muscle to dey throw blow every time for junction, for public. Say that place they pay better money for there. So now that thing they shock them. We go play you the video, may you watch. We'll also come back and continue. We have a lot of things to talk about today. Things don't happen, no. Don't be small thing. Every day for Nigeria and wahala, things they happen. Welcome back. As I've watched that fight, not be small thing. You see, as the last man, the whole police for cloth, they tell him, say, I no go agree. You know, they hold the military man, they tell him, say, no go agree. So this is what is going on in Nigeria, and this has become a culture of the day between the armed forces of Nigeria, BU police, last man, military, navy, any part of the force in Nigeria. Now so fight, they fight, so fight. If when House of Assembly they throw chair for each other for inside House of Assembly, even they carry the Nigeria authority of staff, this is what they're calling it, use it to throw themselves. So why their military and their last man will not fight in this thing? So this is what actually is going on in this country, and it has become a culture of them. So we are going to bring the next update of things where they happen. They say one fake police, two fake police have been there, up to three, where they terrorize people for Lagos. They don't capture them. We are going to play the video as well. These people are dressing like a policeman, wearing a police uniform, holding a gun. When they arrest you, they will extort money from you. You thinking that they are from one division or one headquarter or one police nearby, but they are fake. So, and those people have been operating for a very long time, but on a sudden they captured them as of recently. So we are going to play you the video, and we'll come back and continue. So stay tuned and watch the video. Things they happen, oh my people. Things they really happen. For inside this country where we dey, some things you bring and come, people go tell you say na fake video, na lie, na this one, na this one, na that one. Watch the video, may we continue.
I'm going to take it at the back of this.
Where is his cap now? Look at the cap.
With complete uniform, with complete
uniform, wearing inspector rank. Hey, voila. 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 Hey, Lagos don't turn to another city.
Put your hands down. Close now. Give us
Their magazine.
give her this ammo. Hey, give her this ammo. No, don't give me ammo. No, give her. I don't prove. Don't prove.
Welcome back. As I've watched that video and see what is going on in a country where me and you dey inside. This thing dey happen for Lagos. 3 policemen, you see them, they are wearing complete uniform and with inspector's rank as well, with gun, operating. All this why they start money. That's why sometimes you go see police, you go dey beg am. You know, man, you because you no be police. And most of all those things where they happen, they get an internal officer where they sponsor them, where they give them guideline, where they give them orientation of things where they do. So, but unfortunately, today market no go well for them. And this thing common for Lagos. There's some military also. There's so many videos that they have captured some military pretending to be military, and they're starting money from people in the street. So you see how wicked the people have become, and the people that be victim of this thing is the innocent people who are going their business. End of the day, they will end up being in the hand of these criminals. When they enter in the hand of the criminals, they will started their own money, take them to POS. And when you take this matter to any police, they tell you that they don't have such an operation that is happening. They don't know that the criminals have duped you and collected your money from you in the name of they are police, while they are a fake police. So my people, you need to be very, very vigilant and careful for your own self. So watch well. Anytime police people interact, but the problem is that you yourself, you cannot identify those people. Do you know how we cannot identify them? Because when police walk towards you, Nigeria police walk towards you, and you try to say, okay sir, please can I see your ID? Can you introduce yourself? The next thing you will hear in your face na slap. It be like say you decrease. You no get sense. Me wey be police, now they ask question. So because of that reason, that so many people they are afraid of police. When these kind of people walk towards them, they will not give them everything they have, but they don't know that finally they have entered the hand of a criminals. So my people, na so we see them today, na so we carry and come give you. So the only thing where you go do for us right now is to share this video to your friends for them to see what is happening around them as well. So no forget to subscribe to this channel, and no forget as well to follow us here. See they happen, that's what they bring and they come. So stay tuned and be checking our next update where will they bring. Thank you for watching.